Welcome to this tutorial on how to view your bill on the My Execulink customer portal. First, you're going to want to log into My Execulink using your username and password provided upon sign up. If you're not sure what your credentials are, call us at 1-877-393-2854 and we'd be happy to help. Once you've signed in, click on View and Pay Your Bills under the Account heading. You'll be directed to a page where you can see all your bills. At the top, you will see your overdue balance, if any, as well as your current balance owing. If you want to see quick details about a bill, such as when it's due and the total owing, click on the bill number on the left. If you want to download the bill as a PDF, click the Download button next to the bill you want to download a PDF for.